Floors have always been for more than just walking on. For many, they're places to dance across, to cuddle up with a loved one, to find your first love. They're for new starts, for learning your first steps, or for trying something completely new. They're for exploring the mysteries of science, and for the fun things in life, whether it's going back to your childhood or staying in it for as long as possible. Your floor can lead to priceless memories worth keeping.
Introducing a pet-friendly and multifunctional light and easy steam mop. It provides 3 steam levels for different floor surfaces, including tiles, laminate, hardwood floors, and more. Fill the tank with water, power it up, and it'll be ready in less than 30 seconds, releasing 248 Fahrenheit of superheated steam, killing germs and tackling tough, sticky messes. With a 180-degree pivoting head and an extra long 20-foot power cord. The steam mop is lightweight and easy to carry. That's not all. It's also a detachable steam generator to use as a handheld steamer with additional cleaning accessories. The pinpoint nozzle helps clean dirty areas around corners and tight spaces. The flat surface scrubber should be used to clean surfaces such as countertops, mirrors.
Assembling the Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop is quick and easy. First, attach the steam mop handle to the main body. Then connect the Genius Mop head. And just like that, the steam mop is assembled. To remove the mop head, press the mop head release button. And to put together the spray pocket mop, simply insert the second handle into the lower pole connector, and then attach the Genius Mop head. That's all there is to it.
CrossWave is the best way to clean sealed hard floors. We'll show you how to do it. Select the hard floor setting on your machine. Hold the solution spray trigger to apply the cleaning solution on each pass. For challenging and stuck-on messes, here's a neat trick. Switch to rug mode to increase the flow of your CrossWave. Using short passes while holding down the trigger, the multi-surface brush will go to work. If you notice CrossWave leaving too much water on the floor, or you would like your floors to dry faster, release the spray trigger and go over your previously cleaned floor with dry passes. With these easy steps, you are well on your way to getting a better, quicker clean with CrossWave.